Sorry?
Lift it up a minute.
Hmm.
See, it's thick.
Hmm.
It's 'cause it's not used a lot.
Okay. And this is the inlet.
That's the inlet valve, yeah. So if I press that now, if I push that, that would open and spray a load of oil off. Yeah.
Okay. So what we have to change in inlet?
There's a small hole in here.
Hmm.
So when you open it, it leaks.
It's a vent.
Yeah.
It's for venting. Yeah, it's all everywhere.
Yeah.
Such a small compressor, such a complicated design.
It's small, but it's got a good flow.
What CFM it is?
That's a good question, mate. Because I think it's is it 5.5 horsepower?
Hmm?
I think it's 5.5 horsepower. This one.
Nothing is written.
Yeah, I think the data plate's been removed.